when we do machine reviews, often we'll go in after the machine's been installed, maybe 2, maybe 6 months later. We did exactly that when we came to DP Engineering here in Cornwall and talked about the MX-330 from Matsuura. However, 3 years on, we want to find out from Phillip how he's been getting on with this machine. So Phil, MX-330, has it been a good choice?
The MX-330 has been a great machine. The 10 pallets have really opened up our scope of what we can manufacture for our clients. It's given us the ability to be able to group jobs together and also do 10 different jobs with the 10 pallet system that we have here at DP.
Okay, so you're predominantly known for turning.
Yeah.
So why did you go for this machine in the first place?
Mainly, again, we've got a really good relationship with Matsuura UK. We had a previous Matsuura here, or we had two, sorry, and we replaced this machine that has replaced 2 spindles. So floor space wise, it's a no-brainer. It's a small machine, but really has that big grunt.
And what's it done for you then?
It's opened up our capacity. So we've been able to get a lights out machine in. So again, with the unmanned running, the sister tooling, in-cycle probing, we've really been able to utilise that data that we've been able to achieve with our customers and with their requirements and get that capacity through the night.
And I want the honest opinion here, Phil. Have you had problems with it? What's happened since you've had it?
Everyone's had their problems. I think it would be a lie if we say we didn't have problems. I think we had problems from the second week, third week in, trying to get the commissions. There's always those teething problems.
Yeah.
But typically it runs well, machine. I was quite privileged enough recently to go to Japan and see how they're manufactured. So they still manufacture these with their traditional techniques. It's a family-owned business, 4th generation. So being able to see how the quality is built gives you that reliability when we use the machine on site.
And so you've seen all of that, but do you find that in your final component when you're machining?
Yeah, the components that we're producing now are definitely a lot more reliable. They repeat a lot better. The geometric tolerance is a lot better with the 5th axis again, so we'll be able to get those components off in one operation compared to maybe doing 2, 3, 4, 4th axis operations. These machines are very known for high volume, but we do a mix of both. Sometimes we could have 10 different jobs running, sometimes we have a high volume of one job running.
Are you likely to get another machine like this?
The same as us, so we're built on relationships. Our relationship with Matsuura is also very good. So we believe in the next year, 2 years, that we'll start looking to replace some of our older 4th axis machines with another MX-330 or MX-520 from Matsuura.
So, but if you're replacing one spindle for a single spindle, do you feel like the newer technology is going to give you more, and why?
On paper, we're finding that this machine has typically replaced 2-3 million sensors, just for the capacity that can bring out lights out, as well as just that repeatability. So bringing this in, yes, we might drop the number of machines, but we've gained capacity.
So you recommend this to others?
After seeing how they're manufactured and the support that we have and what the parts we're getting off these machines, it's a no-brainer.